Hello and welcome. Trinity Stamps is celebrating the holidays with a 12 days of Christmas event. Today is day 10, so if you've missed any of the previous videos, be sure to go back and watch those too. Come and visit us each day from the 1st to the 14th for special posts on this channel and on the blog. We'll be giving away two $75 gift certificates and two $50 gift certificates for a total of $250 in giveaways. It's just Trinity's way of saying happy holidays to you and sharing our appreciation for all of our wonderful customers. Winners are going to be chosen at random, and they will be announced between the 15th and the 20th on the blog and here on YouTube. So be sure that you leave a comment on this video and on all of the videos throughout, because the more comments that you leave, the better chance you have to win. Let's hop into the project. So I am making a little stocking stuffer gift card holder, and I have got this mug die and some of the dies from the Sweet Wishes die set. Both of these die sets are from Trinity Stamps, and they are linked down below. So for the mug portion, I have got some Distress Oxide inks here. I have got Festive Berries, Candied Apple, and Fired Brick. And I am using some foam ink blenders to get some color down and ink blend onto some Bristol smooth cardstock. It's my favorite cardstock for ink blending. I get the best results from this. So I'm just going to go back and forth, kind of making a little bit of a red gradient. I'm blending on a water media mat. Once I get my Candied Apple how I like it, I'm going to go back to the first color. I think this is the way that you get the best ink blend, is if you go back and forth between the colors and really get a good blend in between. It makes it look really, really smooth. Then I can move on to my Fired Brick, put that generously on the bottom, and then after Fired Brick, I'll go back into Candied Apple and smooth that out again, just making that transition as smooth as is possible. This is pretty subtle, but I prefer the look of something that is ink blended over just a colored cardstock for a project like this. I think it adds just a little bit more dimension and life to your project. So I've done all of my die cutting off camera. So I've got the two candy canes, the Sweet and the Wishes from the Sweet Holiday Wishes, the little coffee portion from the mug die set, and then the gift card holder. I'm just going to go ahead and take a bone folder and reinforce the score that is here. Now, this little mug does fit into a standard A2 sized envelope, so you could just use it as a card and leave out the gift card portion. But because I'm going to put it in a stocking, I'm going to use it with the little gift card portion. I'm going to use some tape runner. You want to be sure that you do not add tape to those two little circle flaps, because that is how you're going to slide in your gift card. So, of course, this would be perfect for a gift card for a local coffee shop, something to give somebody for Christmas. You can even just give this as a gift if you're not stuffing a stocking for someone. Now, in order to keep this closed, and of course, I will add in my gift card later, I'm going to tie this with some twine. Which I realize here pretty quickly as I go to glue on everything on the front. So I'm going to go ahead and glue on the little coffee bit and put that onto the top of my mug. That just little bit adds so much to this card. Once I have that down, I'm going to go ahead and grab some twine. This is just like a red and white kind of baker's twine looking. You could definitely use a number of different things here. You could even just use a ribbon to tie it close, but I kind of like this cord Also, it is linked down below. All of the supplies are linked down below, as always, if you're looking for any of these items. So I'm just going to tie this in a simple bow just to go ahead and keep this closed while I glue everything onto the front so that I'm not dealing with that just keeping on opening. It just gives me a flat surface to work with. Typically, when I am making a card, I will tape it closed. But I wanted to show you what this looks like with the little bow to keep it closed. Just makes it feel a little bit more like a present too, because you've added a little bow to it. I don't know about you guys. I'm nearly done with my Christmas shopping, which feels really, really nice. Just a few things left to get. And some of those things are stocking fillers. So this is a perfect time to do that. I'm just going to go ahead and take some liquid glue and put down the sweet and the wishes. I'm just trying to space it all out right now. Make sure I'm going to have enough space for my little candy canes to sit on the front. And I am. So I'm just going to take my glue, take some reverse tweezers here, and hold my little delicate die cuts in place while I add some glue to them. Didn't want you to sit here and watch me glue everything. Wanted this to be a nice and simple video for you guys. So I've glued down everything but the last candy cane. And you can see if you cross these, there's actually a little place that you can adhere this down so that the whites don't cross on the candy canes. And that completes the project for today. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Be sure, if you've missed any of the videos, go and comment on those. Put a comment on this video, and that way you'll be entered in to win the giveaways. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you're not already to see more from the creative team, and I'll catch you in the next one.